Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of blue. Blue color. Kids, now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And now we draw C. Blue color. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And the next one is G. G for God. Now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for eyes. Now we draw the letter of J. The next one is K. And now we draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Now we draw the letter of M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nest. The color of blue. Now we draw O. O for octopus. The next one is P. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And now we draw S. S for snake. The next one is T. And now we draw the letter of U. The next one is V. Now we draw W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, the next one is numbers. Now we use the color of black. Now we use the color of black. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. And now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. Kids, the next one is 6. The number of 6. And the next one is 7. We again use black color and now we draw 8. The next one is 9. And the last one is 10. Today we draw alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.